Hello everyone. Now we shall continue our lesson which we had started. So if you remember in our previous video we had seen that Axel, Hans and Professor they were started their journey, right? And in last video they explained their experience also when they were going downside. Downside means center of the earth, so that times what kind of they face experience problems as etc. Okay, now you can see here from this paragraph we shall continue. See, now said my uncle, having finished this preparation, let's think about the luggage. It will be split into three and each of us will tie a package to his back. Now, professor, uncle means that professor, okay, professor said, now just left that all, and now think about our luggage. Why? Because they were going for that journey, and for that journey they require some luggage also. Luggage means for that, suppose for example, if you want to go somewhere, just like on picnic, trip, journey, so that times you require some luggage, just like your clothes, right? Your clothes, another just like objects, that like same they required also luggage. So that's why uncle said, now let's think about the luggage. Okay, I refer only to the breakable objects. Hans will carry the tools and a third of the food. You excel another third of the food and the firearms. It means that in these 2 to 3 lines they describe about what kind of luggage they carried themselves. So you can see here there was food, firearms, right? Foods, firearms, breakable objects, as etc. I will take the rest of it and the delicate instrument. But what about the clothing and this great pile of ropes and ladder? Who will take them? Okay, so finally Axel asked to professor, when we will complete or when we will carry that all, so it will be complete or it will be done. But what about our clothes? What about our clothes? Who asked this question? Axel. Axel asked to professor. Okay, professor means his uncle. Okay, now he just asked simply, ये सब कुछ तो ले लिया है, but हमारे कपड़ों के बारे में क्या होगा? कपड़े कैसे लेंगे? As well as that rope, वो बहुत बड़ी रस्सी, क्योंकि उन्हें कहाँ उतरना था? सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ, है ना, मतलब ज़मीन के अंदर उन्हें उतरना था, तो उसके लिए उनको रस्सी भी रिक्वायर्ड थी, तो वो कौन लेगा? So when he just asked this question to his uncle, so that times he replied or he got answer, there is no need. There is no need. Here is, there is no need, replied my uncle. Why? I asked. Okay, when he got answer, there is no need, so that times he suddenly asked, okay, he suddenly asked why. After that, he got again second answer, you will see, replied my uncle without hesitating. When he just asked again, why we don't need that like luggage? So that times his uncle means that professor, right? Are you getting this point? His professor said, there is no need and you will see. On his command, Hans tied the unbreakable object into a single packet. On his command, Hans carried that luggage near about unbreakable object which was tied solidly together, and then he simply dropped it down into the vast hole. I heard the low howling sound produced by the movement of air. It means that when they just drop that luggage in that hole, So that times when that luggage was falling downside, so according to that air, they can listen or they can hear that sound of that air. If you will just fall, जैसे अगर आप कुछ बहुत ऊपर से और नीचे गहराई में कुछ छोड़ते हो तो ध्यान में रखो आपको कुछ आवाज़ आता है एयर का। जैसे कि अगर आप वेल में कुएं में कुछ अगर पत्थर डालते हो तो आपको थोड़ा सा फील होता है ना। जैसे वो पत्थर नीचे जा रहा है तो आपको थोड़ा सा फील होता है, एयर का प्रेशर उस पर इम्पैक्ट करता है। दैट सेम सिचुएशन हैपेंड एट दैट सिचुएशन। ओके, नाउ I heard the low howling sound produced by the movement of air as our luggage fell. My uncle, leaning over the pit, watched the fall with great satisfaction and stood up again, only after he could not see it anymore. Right, where next? He said. Means for that, when that luggage fall down at perfect manner or on correct side, so that times his uncle means Axel's uncle. Who was he? He was a professor, right? He was professor. Okay, now when that luggage fall down perfectly, so that times he feel great satisfaction. Okay, so I hope you just understood this paragraph. In next video we shall continue next paragraph. Till then, see you, bye bye.